Did you know in 2020 there were over 30 named storms? 12 hit the United States. Aside from that, 6 more hit the United States as a major hurricane. According to the National Hurricane Center, 2021 is going to be a very active hurricane season. Take a look at this ad right here. We have a complete emergency checklist. Good reminders that will keep you and your family safe. Reminders like making sure ahead of time you prepare medication, any important documentation, you have plenty of cash for this emergency, and make sure that you fill up your cars with gas. Now, aside from that, you have to make sure your roof is hurricane proof. Go ahead and give us a call today. We have a 20-point inspection set up to make sure your roof is hurricane proof.